Today, I'm going to show you how you can build a real web app, and even more than that, using Claude Code. But here's the interesting part. We're not using it directly in the traditional paid way. We're going to use Claude Code completely free through 9router. And not just one model, we can connect multiple providers that offer free API access and free models. So in this video, we're going to build something practical using that setup. I've already made a separate video explaining how to install 9router locally on your laptop and run it for free. So if you haven't watched that yet, make sure to check it out. Alright, let's get started. First, open your command prompt. Just type 9router. This will load the application locally on your system. Once it starts, you'll see an option to open the web UI. Click that and it will launch in your browser. Now, as you can see, there are multiple API providers listed here, including free providers. I'm currently using Kiro AI, which offers free credits. You don't need to pay anything upfront. I'll also show you how much free usage you actually get. Once you connect your provider using the API key, you'll see the available models like Claude Sonnet 4.5 and others. Now here's the important part. You can select different models for your CLI tool, which is Claude Code. And if you connect multiple providers, you can switch. In my case, I'm using Kiro AI, which gives 500 free credits. After that, you still get monthly credits for free. For testing, learning, and building small to medium projects, that's more than enough. So now let's launch Claude Code. Launching Claude Code. In your terminal, simply type Claude. It will launch the Claude Code. Confirm it. Now, as you can see, it's connected to the Claude Sonnet 4.5 model running. Let's test it. I'll just type hi. And you can see it's responding correctly. So everything is working. Type create a web app. Claude Code will respond and ask what kind of project I want to build and which technology I prefer. I'll choose React. After confirming, it starts generating the entire project structure, writing files, creating folders, installing dependencies, and preparing everything locally. You'll notice it asks for approval before executing certain commands. Just type yes to continue. Within a few minutes, the project is ready. Now it tells us the app is running on localhost 3001. Let's open that. And there we go. Our app is live. Now let's improve it. I'll tell Claude Code, suggest features to improve this app. It gives ideas like add new tasks, edit existing tasks, add categories, filter tasks, set due dates. Let's just say add all these features. Now it updates the code automatically, modifying files, updating components, handling logic. Everything happens in the background. After it finishes, we refresh the app. And now we have add task, edit task, categories, due dates, filtering options. This is now a functional full stack style app built locally using AI without manually writing all the code ourselves. And yes, we did this using free model credits. I'll be creating more tutorials like this, building real apps, testing AI tools, comparing free and premium models, and showing you practical workflows. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what you want me to build next. If you have an idea for a project, drop it in the comments. I'll build it in the next video. Thanks for watching. Let's keep building smarter.